Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can participate in a Script Supervisor Bee event in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. On week 2, the Script Supervisor Bee event is available guys, and if you want to participate in the event, you need to go to the festival event menu. Okay, you need to go to this menu, the Dreamlight Cinematic Festival Event Update, and go to Festival Event and select the Script Supervisor Bee event. And you're going to click on Go, and then you will track Naniwa. Okay, and hold on guys. Okay, you're going to follow the sign, and you're going to meet Naniwa to start the event. And he's at the flower field now, so you can go there to start the Script Supervisor Bee event. Alright, this is Naniwa, and you need to talk to him to start the event. Okay, I'm going to start the event, and we will need 2000 golds for this event. Alright, after all set, I'm going to start now. Okay, and don't forget to prepare your net. Don't forget to complete your personal goals and also the team goals if you have a team guys, so you can claim special reward from the event. Okay guys, and that's how you can participate in the Script Supervisor Bee event in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.